Hey, what is going on, guys? So before this video starts, I just want to give a quick shout out to Jordan Deos. I hope that I'm saying that correctly. He says, new subscriber here. I definitely agree with Coca-Cola, which I haven't invested in yet, waiting on a good entry. PG is okay too. I would suggest maybe looking into T, Microsoft, DG, and XOM. I will be trying to get a good entry point for those soon. So I just want to give a huge thank you for the suggestion, man, on my latest video. This video was my top 5 favorite dividend investing stocks that you could buy right now. You know, your support means the world to me. I hope that you continue to tune in as I make more videos, and I just wanted to thank you for your support. So one more thing before this video starts, I actually have a Twitter account for my YouTube channel right now. So the username King Spencer Finance was a little bit too long for Twitter, so my username is Finance Spencer, and you can find a link to my Twitter in the description below. I will be talking to people on there. If you guys really want to get in touch with me, that would probably be the best way to do it, as well as DMing me on my Instagram. There's also a link below to my Instagram, and that's basically all I had to say before I get this video started, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hey, what is going on, guys? So in today's video, I'm going to be going over the real ways to make money online. I know that a lot of people on YouTube out there will tell you to use a service such as like Swagbucks or Feature Points, I think was one of them. And these companies will basically just pay you money for sort of downloading apps, playing them for a few minutes, and then closing them. They'll pay you like a cent or something like that, or watching ads. I know that that's what a lot of YouTubers say. But honestly, I'm here to tell you that those are completely wrong. And usually they're just doing it so that they can get traffic to their YouTube channel and so that they can make more money themselves. But I'm gonna tell you my actual top 3 favorite ways to make money online. And you know, some of which aren't really talked about that much, some of which are. So let's just get right into it. So obviously, my number 1 favorite way to make money online is by investing in the stock market. So there once was a time where it was not easy or accessible for everyone to invest in the stock market. You know, there was a time where you had to pay money to invest online, but now those days are pretty much over, and you could pretty much create an account with M1 Finance or something like Robinhood today and start getting invested today. And that's something that I definitely recommend, even for people who just have no idea of the stock market. I think that everyone should learn, honestly. I think that this is a skill that everyone needs to have in order to be, I mean, not in order to be successful in life, but it will give you a higher chance of being successful in life, most definitely. And you know, as I said before, it's so easy to get started nowadays. You know, if you guys are interested in getting started, you can click my M1 Finance link in the description to get $10 when you sign up, and I will get $10 as well. So I will kind of help you get started, and you will kind of help me grow my portfolio. So just a good way to help each other out. Quick little plug there. But in reality, investing is a fantastic way to make money online, and it is also long term. A portfolio is something that you work on, you know, your entire life, trying to grow and trying to perfect. And it's just something that is really good long term, can make you a lot of money, especially for the future. That is why it is my favorite method to make money online. Now, my second favorite way of making money online is through drop shipping. Now, I know you guys have probably heard about drop shipping before, and I just wanted to give you guys a little notice right here. Do not listen to anyone who says that they will give you a free course on drop shipping. You really don't need it. There are thousands and thousands of YouTube videos out there. I know one in particular helped me get started personally. There are thousands of videos out there who will show you how to get started drop shipping for completely free, instead of having to pay like $1,000 for a course. And you could honestly save that $1,000 and just reinvest it into your drop shipping business. So drop shipping is a great way to make a lot of money. You know, if you're really good at it and you really put the time and effort into researching how to be good at drop shipping, how to create a successful drop shipping business. You know, as I said before, don't listen to anyone who says that they will sell you a course, because there are thousands of ways to get started for free. I mean, how do you think that those people got started drop shipping? They did it themselves, and they did the research, and they put the work in. And that's really all that goes into it. And there is a lot that goes into it. There is definitely a lot that goes into it. There is marketing, there is actually selling the product. And before I really get into all that, which I won't get into detail in this video, Basically, I want to tell you guys what dropshipping is. So basically what dropshipping is it is buying a product from China and then selling the same product for a higher price than you bought it for. So basic economics. You know, it sounds a lot easier said than done, but I think anyone can do it with the right amount of research. And really the main things that you really need to focus on are building a good website, which you can do with something like Shopify. And Shopify is absolutely amazing to get started with this sort of thing. A beginner who knows nothing about dropshipping can get started completely for free with a free trial, and then you can just start paying monthly, depending on how big your business is or depending on how big your visions are for your business. It's just it's an incredible platform to grow. A lot of online shops that you guys see nowadays are actually Shopify stores, and it is really cool that you can get started on the same store that these people use to grow their businesses, and you can get started on those as well. So that's basically dropshipping, and as I said, I'm not going to get into too much detail about it in this video. If you guys want me to make another video about sort of the details of dropshipping, just let me know in the comments below. I will probably make that video in the future, but that is why it is one of my favorite ways to make money online. Now, my next two methods to making money online kind of go hand in hand with one another, and this is becoming a YouTuber. And my two sort of methods are becoming a YouTuber and affiliate marketing, which I have not personally done myself, but I know a lot of big creators who do affiliate marketing. So a YouTube channel is a great way to make money online if you really want to put the time in to making yourself better, making your videos better, really getting your content out there to people that you may or may not know. These are just really sort of key things into growing a successful YouTube channel. And I will tell you right now that if you pick something that some people at least are interested in, and you continue to expand on that idea in your channel, you will be successful if you are consistent and you continue upping the quality on your videos. I've had other YouTube channels in the past. I'm not really gonna name any names of them because I don't want people going over to those channels. One of them was a music promotion channel, kind of like Trap Nation, honestly. I thought I was gonna get big and sort of make a lot of money off of it, and I did gain a decent amount of subscribers, and there was a point where I could start making money online with that YouTube channel. However, YouTube did a thing where you cannot have duplicate content in your videos anymore, which means like you can't just post other people's music, which I totally understand. But basically all that being a YouTuber boils down to is picking something that you are passionate about, because if you're picking something that you're not passionate about and that is just popular, such as like vlogging, if you are not really into vlogging and you pick vlogging, you will probably not be successful on YouTube, because your audience will be able to see through that, and they will be able to see that you are not passionate about that sort of thing, and they might not watch because it may be boring or something of the sort. So you really need to pick something that you're passionate about, that people are interested in, that people will tune into for example, like the thing that I'm passionate about, the thing that this channel is centered around, is finance of all sorts, all different sorts, and sort of the finance of a bunch of different things. Like this could range from just investing to talking finance about dead companies or something like that, both of which are things that I've done before. So really this is something that I'm passionate about. Finance is something that I really want to be a big part of the rest of my life, and yeah, that's all it boils down to, is picking something that you are truly passionate about. Now, affiliate marketing is a little bit hand in hand with owning a YouTube channel. So if you're in the niche of sort of product reviewing, sort of like someone like Unbox Therapy, you can put Amazon links in your description. A bunch of websites have affiliate marketing programs where basically you sort of traffic people to go buy a product, and then if they buy that product, then you will make a percentage of the sale, which is really incredible in my opinion, especially if you are in the niche of product reviews. As I said before, sort of like someone like Unbox Therapy, some of these tech channels, stuff like that. Those are people who really do affiliate marketing at its best, and that is just another great way to make some side money from your YouTube channel online, even before you get monetized on YouTube. And to get monetized on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months, which may seem like a huge number, but if people are really watching and tuning in and enjoying your content, that really won't seem like that much. And the first 100 subscribers is always the hardest part. I know that you guys are just saying, oh, this guy has like 16 subscribers, what is he talking about? But I have had channels that have reached bigger sizes, similar to like probably in the thousands, and you know, those have sort of grown over time, and I will tell you right now that the first 100 subscribers is the hardest. So anyways guys, that was the end of this video. If you guys took something of value out of this video, please leave a like, please subscribe. As I said before, follow my new Twitter in the description below. We can engage in some discussion on my Twitter. You guys could shoot me a DM on there and I will probably get back to you. You know, leave a comment on what you think maybe I should improve on in the next video. Leave a comment on what you enjoyed about this video. Just anything helps, honestly. Your guys' support means the world to me. Anytime I see a new comment on my videos, I just get super excited to read it and respond to it. And yeah, without further ado, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.